This bill comes to us from Representative Tanzi. It is involving protection of domestic violence victims, and it is my pleasure to deliver for consideration today this bill, which is designed to protect Rhode Island families from domestic abusers and criminals with guns. This bill is several years in the making and has had several hearings. It has been adopted to address the concerns from the opponents as well. 5510 does three things in its original form. Respects the Second Amendment. This bill would protect victims of abuse and respect the rights of law-abiding gun owners. Number two, it narrowly focuses on dangerous people. And when I say narrowly, I mean narrowly. This bill is narrowly tailored to target the most dangerous domestic abusers. Number three, it prohibits and requires surrender. This bill prohibits gun possession and requires surrender of firearms if you are under a final protective order from the family court or have been convicted of certain types of misdemeanors that are under the domestic violence statute, Chapter 12. The Sub-A version of this bill addresses the concerns that were heard during the hearings on this bill. A, it clarifies who the bill will impact specifically with regard to convictions and orders of the court. B, at adding a process for those convicted of a misdemeanor domestic violence crime to file a petition to get their state prohibited guns lifted after 5 years following probation. And C, it outlines outlines a process for storage of guns, retrieval of guns, and abandonment of guns. Polling indicates that more than 80% of our constituents in this state support this bill. States with similar laws include 28 in number, plus the District of Columbia, that have prohibited gun possession by some abusers convicted of domestic violence crimes that are the types that are contained in this statute. Mr. Speaker, it is a good bill, and I urge passage. Thank you.